All right, and that is the swimming pool where the laundry facilities are, close to the cabins. All right, I know it's a little bit dark and maybe a little noisy because the washers are going. We had a very valid question when we did the handicap accessible cabin, and the question was, are the washers and dryers front loaded here in the cabin loop? Answer is yes. So there are the washing machines front loaded, so they are handicap accessible, and there are some dryers also that are also front loaders. Of course, they have the second tier, which is pretty high, but they do have 6 that are accessible. They also have this sink, which looks to me like it's a little low. Because, let's see. Although I don't think you'd be able to get to the paper towel, because that's pretty high, but look how low the sink is. I'll stand next to it. So I would say yes. This laundry facility, this comfort station here in the cabin loops, it's actually attached to the smaller swimming pool. It's right here. It is handicap accessible, including the sink. All right, so thanks for the great question. I'm sure it'll help a lot of people out there that were wondering the same thing. So let's continue. All right, so as I just showed you, you saw the closest comfort station laundry facilities at the cabins, and those are definitely handicap accessible. Now this is the comfort station that is in the 300 loop, so it is what you would normally find in any of the loops. And here we go. So they do have front loading here as well. They still have the laundry soap and dryer sheets, and the washers are also lower. The difference is that the sink is a little bit taller, so it is a bit higher. The other one was probably about this low, the sink was. This one is higher. So I'm not sure if the sink would be necessarily handicap accessible, but definitely the washers and dryers. And I did notice a big difference in the height of the sink over in the cabin area for the laundry facilities. I hope this video helped you guys. If you had any questions on the laundry facilities being handicap accessible as well as the cabin that we showed you, and I would say that the answer is yes. And for anybody wondering, they also have Braille. They have Braille writing here, and I'm gonna see if they have Braille over in the restrooms, because I never noticed that before either. So they also have Braille here for those of you who may need the Braille to know if it's the women's or the men's restroom. All right, everyone, I wanted to thank you for joining us today in this video of the laundry and the fact that they do have handicap accessible laundries here at the fort. Hope this was helpful to you guys, and we hope to see you guys here at the fort. Bye.